Good morning, student, and welcome to Sri Eknathrav Khadse Talent School, Muktai Nagar online tutorial. I am Sachin Patil, your EVS teacher, and today we are going to solve our chapter 3rd, Growing Up, worksheet first. What is our chapter name? Growing Up. Worksheet first. First, you write your name here. I am writing my name. You write your name. Okay? In this way. Now see, growing up. We know that we all to grow. Huh? You are the child. Huh? Now you are the child. Your height is small. Your weight is small. And you also small. Huh? As the time is going, you will grow slowly. Your height is increase slowly. Your weight is increase slowly. So how we can grow slowly? And what changes are made in our body? And that stages, what their stages is called? Growth in human beings and growth in plants. As the humans are growing, that way all living plants, all living things, or plants means trees, they also grow from smaller to bigger. So what is their growth? That growth we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, now see, first we see growth in human beings. Human means we are the mans. Growth in human beings. We know that all living things grow, change, and finally die over a period of time. Animals and human beings grow bigger and taller with age. This is called growth. What is growth? Growth means animals and human begins grow bigger and taller with age. This is called growth. So the process of growth is slow, and plants also grow and increase in size and time. Okay, now first we see growth in human beings. Animals, I am reading now, see. Animals and human beings grow bigger and taller with age. This is called growth. What is growth? Animals and human beings grow bigger and taller with age. You know the age? Your age, correct? This is called growth. Understand? Now what is infants? These are called as infants. Small baby is called as infants. Their growth is called as infants. A newborn child means as the child is born. A newborn child who cannot talk, walk, or eat a food. The child, those are cannot talk, cannot walk, or cannot eat food is called infants. Is called infant. Okay, is called infant. A newborn child who cannot talk. These are the small babies. These babies cannot talk, cannot walk, cannot eat a food. So these are called as infants. Now next, what is the next growing stage? This is the first growing stage. What is infants? Now second growing stage is a child. Second growing stage is called as a child. See, after 2 years of birth, when your age is 2 years, or after 2 years of birth, this infant grows into a child. An infant grows into a child. An infant grows into a child. A child can sit. What the child is doing then? This child can sit, walk, speak and play in this stage. What the child is doing? The child, 2 years of child, can sit, walk, speak and play. Understand? Huh? And what the infant is doing? Infant cannot talk, cannot walk, cannot eat a food. But the child can sit, can walk, can speak and can play. Understand? Now next is a teenager. Teenager. After growing the child, after the third stage of growth, after growing a child, this is the teenager. See, a child grows into teenager. What? A child grows into teenager. A child grows into teenager. A child grows into teenager. Understand? A child grows into teenager. What is the age of this teenager? 13 to 19. 13 to 19. 13 to 19. The teenager age is 13 to 19. Okay? Now turn the page. The fourth growing stage is adult. Fourth growing stage is adult. A complete man. Now, a teenager grows into a young man. A teenager grows into a young man or a young woman. Young man or a young woman called an adult. Called an adult. A teenager grows into a young man or a young woman called an adult. This is the adult. Correct? This is adult. Your father is adult. Correct? Your father is adult. Now the next is old. Many years later, a young person, means this young person, this adult person, this is a young person or it is a adult person, this young person, many years later, a young person or an adult becomes old. Many years later, a young person or an adult becomes old. So, your grandfather is an old person. Their growth is old. Your grandfather is old. Correct? So, these are the 5 growing stages in human beings. How many stages? 5. First is infants. Second is child. Third is teenager. And fourth is adult. And fifth is old. How many growing stage in human beings? 5. Infant, then child, then infant, child, teenager, adult and old. Understand? Now next picture. See. Paste a picture of any of your 2 adult family members. Who is the adult family members in your family? Your father and mother. Your father and mother picture you paste here. Your father and mother. Okay? Your father picture paste here. Your mother picture paste here. Okay? Now next, growth in plants. Growth in plants. Seeds of plants grows into, this is a plant, correct? As like the man, the growth in plants also have done. How it can be done? See, seeds of a plants grows into saplings. Grows into saplings. Seeds of a plants grows into saplings. Understand? Grows into saplings. Okay? Seeds of a plants grows into saplings. Now, this is a seed. This seed we can put inside the ground. Then what happens? These seeds turns into saplings. Saplings grows into different sizes. Grass, shrubs and trees. These saplings turns into grass, shrubs and trees. Okay? Grass, shrubs and trees. Okay? Seeds of a plant grows into saplings, and saplings grows into different sizes. Grass, shrubs and trees. Understand? Now turn the page. Growth in animals. Growth in animals. See, here are some pictures of the animal. Small animal, big animal. Means this is the cat, but it is the baby cat. What it's called? Kitten. A baby cat is called as a kitten. And a big cat is called as a cat. So, see, kittens grows into small baby. Kittens grows into cat. Kittens grows into cats. Kittens grows into cats. Okay? Kittens grows into cat. Chick becomes a, this is a chick. Chick becomes a hen. 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 Now next. A puppy becomes a, this is a puppy. Puppy becomes a dog. Puppy becomes a dog. Puppy becomes a dog. Dog. Puppy becomes a dog. Puppy becomes a dog. Puppy becomes a dog. Puppy becomes a dog. Okay? Now next. A calf becomes a cow. Calf becomes a cow. Calf becomes a cow. A calf becomes a cow. Calf becomes a cow. Calf becomes a cow. Understand? In this way, the growth in animals. Growth in animals. Kittens, cat, chick, hen, puppy, dog, calf, cow. Okay? Now, match the young with their old ones. Match the young with their old ones. These are the young ones and these are the old ones. Chick. Chick becomes a hen. Chick becomes a hen. You match here. Calf becomes a cow. Calf becomes a cow. Calf becomes a cow. You match here. Saplings becomes a tree. Saplings becomes a tree. Saplings grows into tree. Saplings grows into tree. You match here. Understand? Thank you, student. I hope you enjoyed the today's session. Now the worksheet second we will come on the next session. Thank you.